I have my Coleman Weathermaster screen 6-person tent here. Got this yesterday from Amazon for about $175. Set it up right when we got it here in the backyard and tested it out last night actually. We did get a little bit of rain, and I will go through some of that stuff here and some of the features and the setup on it. It's an aluminum pole, it looks like, and it's got adjustable here. Got 3 slots to adjust it. It also has a hole here for the rainfly to attach to. Putting them into the ground, they come with the stakes, and then they have a little metal piece that wedges into these poles and holds them. They're decently sturdy. They held up last night. They also have hooks here and Velcro underneath here, so they are pretty well attached. Color coded with red tape to go into the red lined holder for it, and then the ones on the outside, the 2 on the outside over here and over here, are gray, and they go in the regular gray. It does actually have Velcro, so it is Velcroed. It also has 4 guy lines on each side, so 8 in total. They also hook into the poles right here, and on both sides you have a fiberglass pole here that hooks into these, goes in through here. Door has a cover over the zipper, and then it switches to the other side on the bottom here. It also has 2 zippers. One here is you zip up your fiberglass pole that runs the entire length of the door back up into that guy right there, and then another fiberglass pole that goes down in this zipper straight down, and that's all that makes up the door there. Opening it up, got door opens all the way up. So in here, this is what we have set up right now. This is a queen size air mattress. This is, I guess you could call it the back window. Fully open there. Nice airflow on the top. Right here, it's a second window. We had these zipped up last night because of the rain. This larger rectangular window here, it does not zip across. The zips end right there, so you still have open here, which is kind of nice. You can kind of get some airflow in through there. Zip those down. Yeah, I was most worried about this window because it didn't zip all the way across, but it ended up being these 2 windows over here. This is the screened-in porch. There's 2 parts to that cluster of zippers. One is for screen, and then the other is for the bottom of the screen. You have 2 zippers on each side, so you can zip these all the way over and zip this one all the way up, and then you can have your screen here open. Thing with this one is there's no zipper on the bottom for the second one. On the bathtub floor, it only zips up the mesh to the bathtub floor and not the waterproof layer. It is nice though that they made it a bathtub liner over here. Unzipped here, you can come out to your screened-in porch from the tent, which is pretty nice height. I'm standing at, this is right about eye height at 5'10", so plenty of room. You can roll these up into here. We had that way during the day, but kind kind of a thing with that is you can't roll up the top part, it's only the bottom. With the screen, you do have, I have both of these staked down right now, but you can unstake one or the other so you can get out a little bit easier. Right here I have them both staked down, or you can stake them apart a little bit, but just because it was raining last night. We do have 3 huge mesh windows, 2 on the inside, and then 1 even out here on the screened-in porch. Right now the tent or the rainfly is covering that. It also has these hooks here that we have lights on right now and a fan, but there's hooks all the way down and one on the bottom there, where you could split this into 2 rooms right here. I like the room in it. I like how many windows it has. The screened-in porch is nice that you can cover it at night and also have just a screen part during the day. The bathtub floors all the way around. You noticed from just our first night in the tent is the seams, especially this one right here and that one and right here. I've noticed leak water, and so what we've done is we've ordered some seam sealer for that, and we'll seal those up and hopefully that fixes our problem. Another thing, kind of a complaint, is the windows being up so high and the bed being down lower, is that you don't really get much of a breeze during the night. And with the rain fly on as well, it kind of keeps some of that air out. Other things, the Velcro on the door here, it's shut, but they have that rain fly in between your Velcro, so it doesn't Velcro when you just open it and shut it. You would have to move that rain fly piece to get your door underneath to get it to Velcro. There is 1, 2, 3 spots for Velcro, it looks like. On the outside here with the rainfly, some people were talking about how this overhang just allows water to get to your mesh on the top. We didn't see a problem with it last night. We were in a heavy thunderstorm. The only problems we saw were with the outside of the windows here. The rainfly doesn't cover the windows completely on any of them. It only covers the top completely. Yeah, the rainfly back here doesn't cover all of that. You still have that window exposed, which we did get a little bit of water in there. Same on this back side. This window, surprisingly though, the biggest one with the overhang, we actually got no water in. No water up and through the mesh. Definitely was water through the mesh on this screened in area, and it was wet there this morning, which is another reason we bought this tent, because it doesn't have the floor that extends to the screened in area. If it did, that would be catching water all night, as there is no covers for the mesh there. All in all though, it is the exact tent we were looking for. The mesh on the top is great. The space for people is great. The screened in area without the flooring is perfect. And the hinge door, it has all the features we had. It's too bad though the Weathermaster let in some rain right off the beginning. We will seal those seams, and hopefully that is all it takes to fix the problems. Hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments. I'll get to those and I'll answer those when I can. Anyway, thanks for watching.